ETV is an abbreviation for Extraterrestrial Vehicle, which aptly characterizes the vehicle it represents. The brainchild of this project is Mike Vetter, a former employee of Burger King, who once earned millions in the production of kit cars resembling Ferrari and Lamborghini models based on the Pontiac Fiero. However, due to legal disputes over design replication, Vetter had to shut down that business. Consequently, he embarked on developing a futuristic sports car based on his own sketches. In 1996, he established the car factory in Florida, and in 2008, he finally unveiled a production-ready prototype of the ETV vehicle tailored for appearances in science fiction films. Despite its exotic design, the ETV is a road-legal vehicle that has been officially certified in the USA. Mike Vetter designed its body in such a way that a wide range of production models can be used as donor vehicles. These range from front-wheel drive subcompact cars like the Chevrolet Aveo, Chevrolet Cobalt, and Toyota Echo, to mid-engine sports cars like the Porsche Boxster and Toyota Murtu. The platforms and engines of these vehicles remain largely unmodified, with the exception of the suspension, which requires adjustable dampers to increase ground clearance. Thanks to enhanced aerodynamics, the ETV boasts better fuel efficiency compared to its donor vehicles. Customers have several options they can purchase just the ETV body with: a tubular steel frame for $10, $0 for self-installation onto a chassis. Opt for a modification of a provided used vehicle for $20,000, or acquire a turnkey ETV for $40, $0 from the car factory. Since 2008, around 100 of these kit cars have been built.